Hello, I've been listening to some of your comments lately and you've all said I look a bit rough and I need to sort of chill out, and so I've decided to treat myself, and I've really done it big time because I've decided to buy myself a watch. Not just any sort of watch, it is a real classic timepiece from a really famous watchmaker from Switzerland. Now, can I just point out that this is not a sponsored video, it's just me buying a watch, but it's a little bit different, and actually in the full true traditions of YouTube, I've got the watch right here and I'm going to unbox it in front of you. Is this an unboxing video? Is this QVC? What's happened to Mr. Egg? Well, let me show you. This is the timepiece. Now, as you can see, it's been presented very nicely in this rather elegant box. Actually, not quite true. It didn't come in the box. We've added it for effect. It cost about 20 baht on Lazada. So, shall we open it and see what my special present is inside? Let's have a look. Oh, and there it is. That's right. Direct from Switzerland. It's a Rolex. Very high quality timepiece. Let's just take it out of the box. Don't want to smudge it or anything. There it is. Now, this timepiece here, as you can see, classic design with the Roman numerals. I quite like that. No expense has been spared. I think it's got an aluminium surround case, and there are no animal products in this watch because the strap, as you'll be able to see, is faux leather. In other words, it's plastic. Yes, quite a nice little piece. I like it, and I'll tell you what I really like about it is that when I was buying it, I was worried about the face getting scratched. So the person that sold it to me actually got a nail and tried to scratch the watch to impress me. Well, in fact, it impressed me so much I bought it. Now, how much would a watch like this actually cost? I know what you're thinking. Why is Mr. Egg blowing all his YouTube money? Well, I'm going to reveal that to you very shortly, because the way that I came to get this watch may bring back a few memories for those certain people that come to Pattaya a lot. Let's go and have a look at how I actually came across it. So if you live in Pattaya or visited Pattaya for a few days or weeks, you'll know you can't go anywhere without someone trying to sell you a watch. People approach you when you're sat in a bar, they jump off the back of a motorbike to offer you a watch as you walk down the street, or as with today, they come up to you every few minutes if you sit outside the shopping centre.
If you buy in the shop, I'm not joking, really. About that one in the shop. Or that one, you know? Then me no shop, you know? Me no shop. Let's go.
Okay. Yeah, but I don't have 1,800, so sorry, I cannot. Yeah.
I give you this one, you know?
1,200.
Yeah, that's one.
Is it Rolex?
Rolex.
Oh, let's have a look at that then.
Excuse me. Sapphire.
Oh, okay.
This 2
Okay. And this one, 1,200.
Yeah, that one.
Oh.
This slim, you know?
Yeah. And you have a guarantee or?
No, you can keep number me everywhere. I live here, Pattaya, about 15 years or 16 years. You look me. You look me. That one.
You're very handsome. Very handsome.
You look me like.
Yeah.
Only one different.
Okay. So 1,200, yeah?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. And how long will it last? How long do you think?
Last one about 8 years.
8 years. Okay.
6 years, about 8 years.
6 or 8 years. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, lovely. Oh, that's very kind of you. Thank you very much.
Okay, so I bought this watch and I'm quite happy with it. It sort of fits nicely. It's a nice sort of shape on my wrist, and I paid 1,200 baht for it, so I won't be needing this, my 23,000 baht Apple Watch anymore. That's a load of rubbish. We can get rid of that. In the best traditions of tech videos, I am going to be seeing how it goes, giving you an update every now and then over the next 8 years, as I was promised, as to how the watch goes. Actually, I've got a little secret, something I haven't been revealing to you. About 2 hours after we recorded that piece at Central, the watch stopped. Yes, not 6 years, not 8 years, but 2 hours. I was talking to Balloon Chaser, my producer director, and the watch stopped. So, not quite the bargain that I'd hoped for. It didn't last 6 years, but 2 hours, but maybe the battery in my trusty new timepiece needs changing, or there might be something else wrong with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go along to a watch shop, of which there are many here in Pattaya, and see what they can do for us. Hello, Sawadee Krap. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
I think the battery needs changing on that.
Okay ครับ ซื้อ for battery 100 บาท
Krap. Thank you.
ครับ sir โอเคครับ
Krap, kun krap. So I have my trusty timepiece back. It will be interesting to see if it actually works by the time we get back to the bar, or whether it's just stopped working altogether. Moral of the story is, be very careful. When you buy a watch, don't be like me. Barter a little bit. Try and get the price to go down a little bit. I was a bit nervous when I bought the watch because we were filming. I didn't want to get caught. But there's a lot of these watch sellers around. Get the prices of what you want off different ones, and make sure, maybe research what timepiece you'd like when you get here, before you get here, and then see if that is available from these watch sellers as you go around. Trust me, if you're coming to Pattaya soon, you are going to run into them at some time. Right, what's the time? Oh, not sure. I think it might be 1:15. Better get to the bar. We're opening at 2. I'm misteregg. I am the manager and owner of Le Pub. It's in Soi Diamond, just off Walking Street. But for me and my trusty Swiss chronograph, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.